In this video, I'm going to show you how to add another ledger to Ledger Live. Now, if you need any ledger devices, you can use my link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and you can get the official ledger device at best prices plus some bonus Bitcoin. So make sure you check it out, and you'll also support my channel that way. So to add another ledger to a Ledger Live app, you want to go up here top right where you can see the settings, and then you want to switch to help, which is the fourth tab. And here it says device setup. It says set up a new device or restore an existing device. And here you can just go ahead and click on launch. It's going to launch the setup wizard over here. You have to select which device you'd like to add. So for example, the Nano S, select, and then you can go ahead and set up a new one by clicking set up a new Nano S. And you can just go to the regular setup and set up another ledger to your account. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.